Hello, welcome. Happy New Year. Welcome to Scrap and Fun with Beth. I'm Beth Graves, your Creative Memories Advisor and Forever Ambassador. I'm here with a sneak peek for what's coming and to launch off 2026 with Creative Memories. So before we get started, I have a little bit of trivia for you. Since it's New Year's Eve, New Year's Day time frame, depending when you watch this, we have, of course, the New Year's Eve ball drop that happens in New York City. Did you know, a little bit of trivia for you, did you know that the very first televised New Year's Eve ball drop was in 1946? But it began years before. The first congregated group of people in New York City in Times Square was in 1907. That's a long time ago. So anyway, but I know a lot of you join in because you like my jokes. Well, guess what? I have New Year's jokes for you too. So I need to look over here for just a sec. So what did the camera wish for himself during the new year? A better resolution. One more thing. Actually, I had a couple more, but here we go. Why did the spoon come to the New Year's party dressed as a knife? The invitation said to look sharp. Wah, wah. One more for all of you who are going to set your goals for the new year. I know, this is for you. I was going to quit all my bad habits for the new year, but then I remembered nobody likes a quitter. Yay! So why start? But that's not true. We're going to start. Anyway, I want to show you what Creative Memories is kicking off for the new year. It's super exciting and super fun. So let's take a peek. So you can see here, this is kind of the new look. Creative Memories has been rebranding over the last few months, and they're finally launching some of it. So you can see our new logo here with the Creative Memories logo with the new M. The kind of the blue changed just slightly, but here is our sneak peek, which is starting on Friday, January 2nd, 2026. At 12 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. We're doing it on Friday this time. I don't know that that's a permanent change. I think it's just the way the new year fell and they wanted to get everything into your hands. So, like last year, we had the Noteworthy collection that was with us all year long, and many of the products throughout the year built on that collection. This year, Make It Your Own Way is our year-long collection. That means these products will be available throughout the year, and you'll see many things coordinating as they launch throughout 2026. So this collection is beautiful, wonderful color palette, very photo friendly, I guess I'm going to say, and has a lot of fun new designs, fresh themes, fresh artwork. We've got a paper pack, a tone on tone. We've got a matte pack. Monthly titles, how cool are those? And we're going to see a lot of things we can incorporate those into, so stay tuned for some of my upcoming classes. Embellishments, clear title stickers. There's also going to be 12 months of stickers, so like stuff for January, February, March, April, that's very thematic for what those months typically represent. There's a new BMC called the Decorative Waves. How cute is that? And also a fun new album cover. All part of this Your Own Way. You can, of course, purchase the Buy It All bundle and save 10%. And once the Buy It All bundle is out for the first 10 days of the launch period, then it will move to the decorative bundle and that will be available. You can see here the fun colors that coordinate of our cardstock and also some of the coordinating collections that we already have. And look, Noteworthy Days actually coordinates. So if you've got Noteworthy Days still in your stash, you can use that to enhance and complement the Make It Your Own Way. Am I calling it that right? Your Own Way. But wait, we've got more. Simple Page kits are back. So each month there will be a new Simple Page kit. Again, coordinates with the collection. And you can buy them monthly or you can buy the bundle. At the beginning of each quarter, we'll have the bundle. And the bundle is including just the Simple Page kit and the additional little advisor exclusive edition. And so those are usually a little sticker or a foil embellishment. They're just a cute little add-on that coordinates with that kit. So if you purchase the bundle, it is the 3 kits for that quarter, along with the 3 coordinating embellishment pieces that go with it. Or you can purchase each kit individually each month. I will be offering a Simple Page Kit Club again this year. A little bit different format, but I think you guys will still love it. And so you may consider doing the bundle and having all those pieces up front at the beginning of each quarter. We also have a card kit that's called Through the Seasons. This is one of the 12 packs that has fun sentiments for kind of each month or each season of the year. Of course, in January, we always get new album colors, and look at these. We have a pearl, a lavender dust, a deep orchid, a dusted sage, a sunburst yellow, vivid blue, a bubblegum pink, and a caramel. Oh, beautiful additions to add to your collection. Also in January, we typically offer the custom foiled spine op promo, where you get 33% off all the spines in your order when you customize 3 or more. So this is the time. This is available until January 23rd. So now is the time to get your custom foot spines completed. Also, with the new colors, we also have an album promo. Again, something that's many times offered in January. So for every 4 albums you purchase, you can pick a free album cover. And the free album covers include the Mandala Blooms in Empress Teal, the 2026 foiled cover, or just the solid lake blue with nothing on the front. So, wow, all those options. But one more fun thing. You can also earn this cute little tote bag with your qualifying products in the craft tote qualifying category under deals. So on Friday at noon Central Time, check out the deals tab and look for the craft tote qualifiers. Spend $99 on products in that category. And I don't know what's in that category. I don't get to see it until you do. But spend $99 and you can also add on this awesome bag for as a bonus. And this is also part of the new branding, so you can kind of see the different words launching in, the colors of the blues. And so you're going to see a running product change on a lot of our packaging that's going to incorporate this look. And oh, I just think it's awesome. So anyway, countdown's on. This is coming up quick. If you'd like to look at pricing and information beforehand, click the What's New link here. I will post all of these amazing opportunities in my Scrap and Fun website, and you will find that information underneath this YouTube video link to get you to the landing page for Creative Memories and let you take a closer look at all these fun things. So thanks for joining Scrap and Fun with Beth. I enjoyed sharing this super fun sneak peek with you. And if you have any questions, please be sure to reach out. Until then, Happy New Year! Thanks.